follow up with your client before they follow up with you. I'd hope it would be self-explanatory why this is a good practice, but just in case it's not, first, for the benefit of your day, a service advisor, when a customer calls you for follow-up, 95% of the time, you're going to be ill-prepared to take that call, and the customer is going to feel it. If you were prepared to take the call, you would have picked up the phone and called the customer. So you're going to be bumbling around with your preparation. You're going to be asking to call the customer back. More often than not, you may end up playing phone tag. When you're the one that initiates the call to the customer, you always sound prepared. The customer appreciates you following up with them before they followed up with you, and your day is going to run that much more efficiently because you're avoiding being put on your heels with the preparation, and you're avoiding extensive rounds of phone tag. It'll be more efficient for your day and a better experience for your customer if you call them before they call you for a status update.